Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just before Christmas, our original dehumidifier went wrong. It's just stopped working, we don't know why. It was about 4 years old, I think, anyway. So from a certain company who will remain nameless for the time being, we ordered a new, it's a Pro Breeze, it's a PB-10, and the box, when we received it, had been crushed quite badly by the courier. Okay, so here is the corner of the box, and as you can see, it has most definitely been crushed. This is more than just dropping it, and this resulted in some quite considerable damage to the tank of the dehumidifier. It has completely totaled the corner of the tank. So we've got all this lot of debris here, and as you can see, it's made of quite thick plastic, so it would have taken more than just dropping the thing to break it. It's been crushed, that's what's happened. And in fact, if you look around the other side of the tank, you can see there's a massive great big crack here too, look. We use our dehumidifier to dry the laundry and keep the conservatory dry as well. And we've been using one for the last 4 years for this purpose. So when it stopped working, we had to get a new one quickly. So we went to said company and bought another one. And as I say, it's all broken. We tried contacting them regarding it. We got a mixed result from them. The first email we got said, "Oh, it's non-returnable. Please send us some photographs of the damage and we'll sort out a refund." Well, nothing happened with a refund. So after about a week or so, we contacted them again. "Oh yes, you've got to send it back." I mean, they were quick and they arranged a return for the following Saturday, which is the next day basically, so that was good. But we would have had to wait up to 30 days for a result on whether we were going to get a replacement or a refund. Well, we can't wait 30 days. Where we're going to get another release on? We'd have to buy another one, which means we'd end up either with a refund or with two of them. So what we decided to do was contact Pro Breeze directly and ask if we could buy a new tank to replace this one. So this is, you know, around about a couple of weeks ago, and we had a back and forth with them, a very positive back and forth email with them, and they said eventually that they don't do spare parts, which is a shame, but however they would be willing to send us out a replacement item free of charge, which we were pretty gobsmacked about this really, because we didn't purchase our original dehumidifier from Pro Breeze. So for them to actually send one out free of charge is very, very good customer service. So that's why I'm making this video. So I'll tell you what we'll do now, guys. We'll open this box up and we'll have a look at the new replacement dehumidifier. And I think we'll start by taking a look at the box, which seems to be in rather good condition, much better condition than the original one was we got. There's a little hole just there. There doesn't appear to be any crushes in the corners of the box. So let me just grab a knife and we'll get it out and have a look. Okay, there we go. So we've got the instructions, etc. on the top there. So drop them down there. Pull out the EPS. Okay, let's get out the unit then. Bring him out and have a look, see what we got then, shall we, guys? There it comes. Move that. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, nice. Look at that. A complete tank. Excellent. Nice. Okay, so here's the control panel on the top. This is the outlet. Apparently there's an antibacterial filter on the back here as well, so that's good. Filters out all the bacteria and stuff. There's our unbroken tank. you also get a hose for direct feed, so you don't have to fill this tank up. But I'll tell you what we ought to do, guys. I think we ought to switch it on and see if it actually works. Right, here's the tank. How easy is it to get the tank out one-handed? There we go, look at that. All in one piece, look. Nice. And you can see how thick the walls are on this thing. Look, they're about 3 millimeters thick, I think. So they're it would take some breaking. Okay then, let's give it a go. And it works. Nice. So we'll have to get it replaced with the other one over yonder. We've been running this unit in this old baking tray here for the last few weeks to, as you can see, capture the water that it pulls out of the air, so it doesn't leak all over the floor, because we don't want that. So I think we can probably get rid of this tray now, and we'll move the new unit here and get it working. Okay, so here it is in situ. Switch it on. We've got it all sorted out, look, so we've got it on auto and 50% room humidity. So let's see how well this new unit works then, shall we? So I would just like to thank ProBreeze for their wonderful customer support. As I say, we didn't buy it direct from ProBreeze. All we asked of them was, could we purchase a new tank as a replacement? I mean, you know, we wouldn't have minded spending 20 quid on a new tank for it, but they were kind enough to send out a complete brand spanking new unit for us with an unbroken tank, and that is very, very good customer service as far as I can see, guys. So I'll leave you a link to their website in the descriptive text down below. We've had this one since before Christmas, a couple of weeks before Christmas. It does a really good job of drying the laundry and other, you know, and the conservatory and what have you. Keeps it nice and warm, because it's blowing warm air out at the moment as well. And as I say, we have a silver antibacterial filter in the back of it too, so that's another bonus. From what I can see, it's a very well made good quality item, backed up by really good customer service. So if you need a dehumidifier, please check out ProBreeze with my link down below. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram too, and I've got pictures of my new unit up on Instagram as well, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please check out ProBreeze via the link down below, and I'll catch you on the next video. We have been using the dehumidifier to dry our laundry and keep the